didn't even know we could burn metal. What the fuck? No!
That's why we cook it. It'll be okay. The heat will make it clean. We got a mess on aisle 3.
Next. You're getting cooked next.
Wash it off with some water.
Yeah, it's nice and wet. I think that's good. I think that's good. I think that's good. Yep. Yep, okay. Yep, alright. Back to the actual good chicken. Do you want the thing to beat it? This chicken got significant. I swear the chicken is done. I'm gonna check it. Hey Siri, how do you check if chicken's done? You know what? Fuck it. I guess welcome back to another ASMR video. If you want your chicken to taste nice, you gotta be nice to your chicken. Yeah. Give me the next good old slap again. Let me get a hot view of this. I think it's good. Now it's all good. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, there it is. Back. We're just gonna wait till this is done. It's not gonna take too long. We just hoping we don't burn it. So what do you got to say to the viewers? Alright, so yeah, this is us. And if you want to follow, the link will be in the description to this video. Kind of fucked this one up, eh? We really fucked this one up. What do you got to say? Alright, yeah, so we don't really know what to do from here. If you have any suggestions on not how to burn your house, you can eat it. Alright, meat temperature not quite ready, but I think it would be okay if we eat it.
No, it won't.
I just want to die with you. Chicken's so nice, it will make a black mama proud. Tell me what you got to say about that.
The chicken isn't cooked all the way.
The next day, Kyle and Jackson died.